The epidemic knows no boundaries, and neither do efforts to combat it. With the shared goal of overcoming the epidemic and safeguarding the regional and global health security, China and Japan have worked together during a difficult time. Since late January, China had received warm support from all sectors of Japan in fighting the COVID-19 outbreak. Japan's Oita Prefecture, a sister prefecture of Wuhan, took the lead in donating following the outbreak in Wuhan, sending face masks, protective suits, and goggles to the Chinese city on January the 27th. Since then, other Japanese cities have also taken action to support China's battle against the epidemic. Now, Japan is also bearing the brunt of the COVID-19 crisis. As of Sunday, the country's confirmed coronavirus infections have risen above 6,900. With infections in Japan continuing to surge, the Chinese side has not hesitated to extend its helping hand to reciprocate for the help it received from Japan earlier. Chinese government, as well as some non-governmental organizations, have donated much-needed test kits, protective suits, and millions of face masks to Japan. When the novel coronavirus ran rampant in China in early February, Toyokawa City sent 4,500 face masks to Xinwu District in Wuxi City in eastern China to help fight the outbreak there. Now, the Xinwu District government has reciprocated tenfold, sending 50,000 face masks to the sister city, which is facing a dire shortage of masks. The move was highly regarded by the Japanese media as well as the Japanese people. In addition, places like Saitama, Tottori, Niigata, and Nagoya in Japan also received face masks and protective suits from their sister cities in China. And Chinese nationals living in Japan distribute masks on the streets of Tokyo to pedestrians, expressing gratitude to the Japanese people for their help during China's own crisis.
中国の方が日本の方々に気をつけてくださいってマスクを配るっていうイベントはもう本当にありがたいし、僕も一人の日本人として感謝を感じてるし、だからこそ一緒になって頑張りたいなと思ってます。加油中国、加油日本。
一緒にやった方がいいと思いますね。特に国とか関係なくにみんなで防いでいった方がいいと思いますね。
Facing the raging epidemic, China and Japan share the need to cope with the public health challenge and shoulder the responsibility to contain the spread of the virus, maintain social stability, and spur economic development in the region.
China and South Korea have also come to aid each other in the battle against coronavirus outbreak. When China was severely hit by COVID-19, South Korean President Moon Jae-in said that South Korea and China are close neighbors, and helping one's neighbor is helping oneself. Seoul Mayor Park Won-soon also said that China had reached out to South Korea when they suffered from MERS, and it would be the time for South Koreans to repay China's kindness. South Koreans have made videos to cheer up for the Chinese people. Institutions, enterprises, and citizens in South Korea have donated money or supplies to China. It is estimated that donations from Korean enterprises could reach around $14 million. In the meantime, South Korea has undergone ups and downs in combating COVID-19 over the past months after its first case was reported on January the 20th. The country's total coronavirus infections have topped 10,500, among which more than half were reported in Daegu and its surrounding North Gyeongsang province. In late February, the Chinese embassy in South Korea donated around 25,000 medical masks to Daegu, and China's Shanghai also delivered 500,000 masks to the worst-hit areas in South Korea. Qingdao, a coastal city in East China, sent 20,000 masks to the Red Cross, which had distributed them to the Daegu city in early March, while Jack Ma, founder of Alibaba, donated 1 million masks that were distributed across South Korea last month. Also in March, the Chinese central government donated 1.1 million face masks and 10,000 protective suits to South Korea, which was suffering from shortages of such supplies. In face of the epidemic, China has so far largely curbed the spread of the virus at home, and has been doing all it can to support and help other countries in need. This, according to some experts, shows the spirit of a community with a shared future of mankind that asks all to stand together and help each other.
저는 한중 이번에 코로나19 대응과 그 공조에 대해서 굉장히 협력적으로 잘된 그런 상황이었다 이렇게 평가를 합니다.
We have a lot of good cooperations that are emerging from between China and Japan, but not only between our governments, but also between our people. China, Korea, Japan are very close together geologically and with economics that are more tight